When it comes to custom water cooling, you have two primary choices these days for tubing. You have PETG and acrylic. So PETG is very soft. As you see, I can easily bend it. And when it comes to heating this up so that you can actually bend it to the way that you want, it doesn't take much temperature from your heat gun. Now, because it is soft, when you're putting fittings on here, it does scratch very easily. So you have to be very careful with those fittings. Also, because of its soft nature, it's quick and easy to cut. You can use a tool like this, cut, burr the edges down so it doesn't cut the actual O-rings to your fittings, and move on. Acrylic is very different. So it's a very hard material, can't really bend it as easily. So it does take a much higher temperature to bend this to like 90 degrees or whatever you want to do with this tubing. Now, if I were to try to cut this with this tool, it would actually shatter similar to glass. So you have to use a tool like this, a saw, and a vise, cut it to the length that you want, and then burr the edges just like you would for PETG. So it's somewhat personal preference. When I did a poll not too long ago for which tube people like the look of more, nearly everybody chose acrylic tubing, and that was just over the Twitter video. So in real life, this looks much better. So it really comes down to personal preference. PETG is easier, acrylic takes a little bit more work, but looks so much better.